Hello.
Just got home from work and I know exactly what he's going to ask me. Hey buddy, how's it going?
Yeah, Dad, can we build my new bike today?
Yeah, come on then.
This is my new bike from FunBikes.
Oh wow, look at it. It's massive. Did it come on that pallet?
Yeah.
And I see you got all my tools out ready to go.
Maybe.
I think it's got tools in it, hasn't it? Come on then, let's get it up. Hey, how's it going? I'm Danny. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Ollie is assembling, riding and testing the 2000 watt MXR from FunBikes. First though, I thought I'd give you a little bit of background. The boys and I love our electric vehicles. We've ridden and flown loads of them, from bikes to quads, even paramotors. A lot of people seem to think that electric will be the future because it's more environmentally friendly, which it can be, especially for us as we charge everything from the solar on the roof. But we think it's the future because it's just better. It's got way less maintenance, it's more stealthy, it's simpler to control, it's more reliable, and it's got so much power on every stage of the throttle. The only real downside is the weight of the battery and the endurance, but that's getting loads better every year as technology progresses, and it's not a massive factor for bikes compared to paramotors, for example. Now my boys love to go fast, but they're not competitive racers. They like adventure, getting outdoors and exploring, which is why FunBikes have made them part of their Icon Program, testing the products out in the field and giving you genuine feedback.
Wow, it got a metal crate. I think there's a charger in here, Dad. Whoa, there's tools in here. And a number plate. I told you there was tools.
I think I told you that there was tools. What's that for? Charging it?
Charger.
Awesome. What else is there? Instructions, we're going to be needing those.
Dad, I think the best thing we can do is rip the box and leave the crate.
Go on then.
Yeah!
Oh wow, look at it, buddy.
Wow. Undo these. I think there's everything here that we need. So, first, we need to undo the bolts. Dad, I have a question.
What's that, mate?
Do you know all the other bikes we had?
Yeah.
They all came in cardboard boxes. Why is this one made in a metal crate?
I think FunBikes really wanted to protect it because it's a big boy bike, isn't it? And they've really made sure that it wasn't going to get damaged on the way here. It's really impressive, this. It's a shame to throw it away, isn't it?
Yeah. That's the last one. Can you help me lift the top half?
Yeah, go on then, lift it. Oh, it's bolted on here, mate. Wow, they've even bolted it to the frame of the bike.
Oh.
So you want a spanner now?
Yep.
Okay, ready, buddy?
Yep, let's lift it off. 3,
Okay,
2, 1, ah!
That's it. Let's put it over here out of the way. Nice. Wow, look at that. That is really, that's a really good time, mate. It's good quality, isn't it?
Yep.
What's next?
Why is it so low down?
So the swing arm's not connected, look at the rear shock.
Oh.
So that connects to there and it'll lift it up.
Oh.
However, this is how it's attached to the crate. So the first thing we're going to do is take this off, and then unbolt the front forks, and then we can start to get it up. You ready to ride?
Yep.
It's not quite ready yet, mate, is it?
Shall we do the handlebars while it's here?
Yeah, could do. Yeah, so we'll put them on now, and then we'll flip it over to put the front wheel on, yeah?
Yep.
Cool.
Dad, if you hold this into position, I'll clamp it down.
Go on then.
I can't wait to ride this.
It's going to be good, isn't it? Right,
Yeah.
Don't go too tight with that until you've done the back one. Start the back one. Otherwise, they don't sit level.
I think the brakes are in a good position. Hey Dad, what are these?
What are these? This is adjustable suspension. So that's something that you've not had before. So we can make it a little bit softer or firmer depending on how you're going to ride. Really good suspension, mate.
I think if we take off the forks, that it will come off the crate now.
Yeah, good idea. You're going to get a spanner then?
Yep.
You got the right one? Okay, buddy, so I'll lift this end and you drop the rear shock in. Okay, put the bolt in.
It's not in yet.
There you go. All the way through, that's it. Put the nut on.
Oh no.
That's it, buddy. Okay, Ollie, I'm going to pull the bike off and you pull the cardboard out of the way. Ready? Sweet. Right, let's turn it over. You ready? Okay, you grab the wheel. That's it, buddy. We'll loosen this and then the brake caliper will come round, yeah? Okay. Awesome, look at that, mate.
Oh! Hey, what's this? Oh, the kickstand is already attached.
That's awesome, mate.
Yeah, I would say to do the mudguard right now.
May as well while it's here.
Hey, look, there's a chain.
Yeah, your other bike just had the motor built into the back wheel, but this will give you a lot more torque. You've got to watch your fingers in there. So what else do you like about it?
The tyres are really grippy.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with the tyres. What else?
I thought it was going to be just blue, but it's also blue and red, so it's going to match my kit.
Yeah, look at that. These coated brakes, the calipers and the levers, they look awesome, mate, don't they? This bike is really good. Do you know what this is?
Yeah, it's a skid plate, so when I go into rocks, it doesn't damage my bike.
Yeah, that is really robust. So your battery's under there. And sorry, man. That's solid, isn't it? It's really well made bike.
Can we take the stickers off now?
We're pretty much there. What else we've got to do? Right. Yeah, let's flip it over the right way. And then do the grand reveal, yeah? Sound good?
Hey, but the brakes aren't on.
Oh yeah, let's do the brakes. let's go for the grand reveal. Go for it, buddy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Number one, buddy.
Wow. This is sick.
Wow, buddy, look at this.
Dad, this is amazing.
You happy with it?
Yep. So this is a completed bike and it took about half an hour to make. One of my favourite bits about it is that it looks like it can go really, really fast. And the graphics look awesome. The tyres look like they're going to really dig into the dirt. And it has adjustable suspension. It has disc brakes on the back and the front. The brakes are really easy to reach. The foot pegs look big enough for my feet. The seat is really comfy and the skid plate looks like it's going to protect the motor. The thing that I hate about electric bikes is the washing them, but it looks like everything is really sealed up. You lift this to adjust the power settings. The thing that I don't like is that it's locked, so then kids can't change it around when they're riding.
Yeah, that's true, buddy, but it'll certainly
first.
keep you safe while you're learning anyway.
I'm turning it to the top. There's only one thing left to do, to take it for a ride.
Let's go, buddy.
Woo!
Wait.
Oh my God.
Go and get your safety kit on.
Hey yo, this way, that way, running in, running down. Go on, show 'em what you're talking about. Spin around, yeah, walk it out. Go on, show 'em what you're talking about. This way.
The bike allows you to adjust the speed of the motor and how responsive the throttle is. For testing on the garden, the speed and the response was dialed down on the lowest setting.
First impressions, I love the bike, but Dad, please, can we take it out on a trail?
Okay, buddy, let's go.
A one, a two, three, four.
This is my first trail ride and first impressions, it is sick. And I love the bike because it has a really good suspension and if you want it to go fast, it can go fast. If you want it to go slow, it goes slow. If you want it to go medium, it can go medium. I'm not so keen on this power switch because it's a bit fiddly to open and on my other bikes, there was just a button here. I don't mind it because I put it up to max power and medium response. But that's the only thing I'm not keen on, but I love the brakes, the throttle and how durable these tyres are. And I think that the suspension is great. So I think it looks really cool. Kickstand's not so flimsy and it even keeps the bike up on soft grounds. I've been riding really fast on this and the brakes stop me like straight away. It's super solid. I'm going to give the build quality a 9 out of 10. I'm going to give the suspension and how comfy it is an 8. The wheels and the tyres are a 9 out of 10. I can't rate the battery yet, but I've been riding about half an hour and it hasn't gone down a lot. And in terms of how it looks, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Overall, I would really recommend this for young riders and teenagers. Well done, FunBikes, it's awesome, thank you.
So come on and tell me about the love I got you flow.